For me to be able to use my GI Bill was a big bonus. It's something that, financially definitely helped me out. My name is Chris Hansen. I'm a 30-year Army veteran, and I recently purchased an RV, and which led me to go on the internet, check out a couple videos on YouTube, and next thing I know, lo and behold, there's some big guy with a big beard, NRVTA. I started looking into the course and to become a certified technician. Since I've been here, started with the fundamentals course, and then I was able to transition to becoming a certified RV technician. ACs, refrigerators, heaters, furnaces, exteriors. There's a variety of different subjects that they cover, and big part of my learning is watching it being done and then getting my hands on it and doing it myself. Having all the resources available and the pieces of equipment for every course that we went through made a huge difference for me. Not only build my knowledge base, but also build my confidence. This is something that I'm so glad that I had the opportunity to be here and to experience. I would highly recommend it to anybody who has an RV and is looking for some additional information. Having that accreditation, being a certified RV technician, that carries a lot of weight. It's a good fit for what I'm looking for.